right. So the OLSP final week MegaLink Showdown is almost ending, right? So the MegaLink Showdown competition will end on Sunday, right? 31st of August. So I hope you have joined the OLSP MegaLink, because that is the only way you can participate and grab your own share of the $50,000 prize money, guys. This money is going away. You don't want to get your own share of it. Make sure you join the OLSP MegaLink right now, and you can just do that right now to participate by clicking the link in the description above and then join. It's just $7, right? Now with $7, you will get your own MegaLink and you will be able to participate in this showdown competition, and you will be able to get that chance to win $50,000 prize money, guys. This is amazing. This is awesome. This is really awesome. All right. Now, how do you win this 50,000 or part of this $50,000? Very simple, right? Now, the first step, just like I told you, you have to join the OLSP MegaLink, right? And look, how much is it? Just $7. That's the price for a cup of coffee. So everybody can afford $7. So all you have to do, like I said, either you go to my profile, there's a link in my profile, or you just click that link in the description above, pay your $7, and you are now the owner of a powerful system. And not only that, you can now be put in the draw with the potential to earn part of the $50,000 prize money. A lot of people are scrambling to grab part of this money. Just imagine, with just $7 and your chance of grabbing part of that $50,000, that can really change your life, guys. And look, this whole thing ends on 31st of August. Just about 2 or 3 days from today, right? So you want to get in right now. Now, how do you win this 50,000, part of this $50,000? You want to get what is called points, right? Now, how do you get the points? Now, when you join the OLSP MegaLink system, the first thing you want to do is to start sharing your link, right? Which is very simple. You just copy and paste free ads on social media. Look, you can ask me for the ads. Once you join my team, I give you all the ads and the images. You just go along, post those ads every day on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. And by you doing that, just posting free ad, copy and paste. That's all. On these free sites, you will attract a lot of visitors to your website, your MegaLink, right? Now, what happens when they get there? They now become leads, because they are going to put in their email, and that email will be linked to you. So they become your leads, okay? Now, as the more leads you get into the system, the more points you make. But that's not all. Now, some of these leads are going to buy the MegaLink, right? So once they buy the MegaLink also, you make 100% commission, which is powerful. So you get all your money back. Not only that, you get more points, and that is super, right? And once you have more points, you are now going up in the leaderboard, okay? Now, the third thing is this. Those leads, they could buy any other product in the OLSP system, because the OLSP system has a super online store system, right? Where they could buy any other product. And when they buy any other products, you get more points. So the more your points, the more money, the more your chance of grabbing that part of the $50,000. So I hope this is simple. I think it's very easy to understand. So it's very, very simple. Now, for those of you who are asking, but Victor, what is this OLSP MegaLink system? Is just a $7 system. Have you seen anything as low cost as that? Now, the OLSP $7 MegaLink system is a complete done for you automated online store system. Right now for you to make money online, the easiest way is to have your own online store. We know Amazon, we know Walmart, we know Target, we know what's the word, Etsy. We know all these places. They have online stores. That means they have a website with multiple products in it, right? Now, when you join the MegaLink, when you grab your MegaLink, you are also going to get your own online store with multiple products in it. And look at the beautiful thing. You don't have to buy any of those products, right? For you to make money, right? All you do, you just share your MegaLink. And whenever visitors and customers come to the link and they buy anything in your online store, you make money. It's just simple. You could make low ticket commissions, medium ticket commission, or even high ticket commissions as much as $2,000 and above. Whew. Think about it. You only spend $7 one time to get your MegaLink, which is your online store, and you could make a lot of money from that store. It's so crazy. Really, really crazy. And I say this is a complete done-for-you system because all the follow-up is done for you. You don't have to do any follow-up at all. So you don't have to follow up with any of the leads because the OLSP system sends out emails on your behalf for life. They just keep sending out emails literally for life on your behalf. All right. And then they invite your leads to webinars where they train your leads and sell them high ticket products. And whenever any of those your lead buy those high ticket products, you make high ticket commissions. Powerful, right? This is the best system online, I tell you, because you have an online store, but you don't need to have any product of your own, right? All the digital products have been created already for you. So you don't have to have a product of your own. You don't have to have any website of your own. The website has already been created. You don't need to have any technical skill. No, once you pay for your MegaLink right now, you are going to get your link to your online store. So you don't need to create anything. You don't need any technical skill. You don't need to recruit anybody. No, that is not your job. Your only job is to share your link. Just simple copy and pasting free ads on social media. That's all. You just copy and paste free ads on social media and drive the traffic to your online store. It's just as simple as that. So there is no recruiting at all. You don't have to call anybody. No, the OLSP have a call team that does all that for you. You don't have to do any calling at all. You don't have to do any selling. I just woke up and already people are buying products from my store without me even knowing who they are, because that is the power of an automated done-for-you system, guys. So let's not waste your time. If you want to join my team right now in the OLSP MegaLink system, go to the link in the description above or in the comment section below. Click that link. Pay your $7, get your own MegaLink online store, and start sharing your link all over the internet, right? Now, if you have any question or clarifications or anything, you can privately DM me and we can talk about it, right? So guys, with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.